Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the route to your favorites on the Detecht application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the routes button down below, which is the second option. Then here you can find at the discover section that you have a bunch of route recommendations here, but you can also type in your own one into the search bar and apply filters to narrow down your search. After finding one that you would like to save for later after checking it out, tap on this favorite button down below in the left side corner of the screen. Then go back and tap on the profile button or the routes button. So stay at this section and just slide to the right side at the top until you find the favorite button at the top. That's the third one, and here you will be able to find your saved routes. If you want to get rid of it, just tap on it and click on the favorite section down below again, and it will be removed from the favorite section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.